Welcome to Cartechhome channel. Please like this video. Click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to stay updated every time we post our latest video. What causes a car to stall while accelerating? The most common reasons are moisture in the distributor cap, a vacuum leak, or a bad throttle position sensor. But whatever the reason is, it will all depend on the condition when the problem of stalling occurs. If the stalling typically happened on a cold, wet morning when the engine is cold, moisture in the distributor cap causing misfiring. During the night, condensation or moisture forms inside the distributor cap because of the cold and wet weather. The moisture often allows electrical current to arc inside the distributor cap. The arcing is most extreme during acceleration, therefore causes engine misfire so severely, then stall. How to prevent moisture in the distributor cap? Park the car inside the garage for the night. This should help prevent moisture from forming inside the distributor cap. Over time, if the problem gradually becomes more frequent, vacuum leak is possible. Vacuum created in a car's fuel system is one key factor in determining how much fuel an engine will get. Any vacuum leak in a fuel system will intermittently throw off the air-fuel mixture that enters the engine's combustion chambers. Consequently, this results in engine hesitation at the very least or stalling. What to do? Check both the exhaust gas recirculation and PCV valves. These are items that are often found to be the source of vacuum leaks. If the severity of the problem has likely remained constant throughout, bad throttle position sensor is the problem. Throttle position sensor is a device that measures how far the driver has to press the gas pedal, and thus the throttle. The sensor feeds its data to the engine's computer, which in turn makes a calculation. The result of calculation is used to determine precisely how much gas the fuel injection system should inject into the engine. Faulty throttle position sensor will adversely affect the injection of gas into the engine, often resulting in stalling during acceleration. Thank you for watching Cartechhome channel. Please subscribe and visit www.cartechhome.com for more car troubleshooting guide.